name is Leslie and I'm from the United States of America. I am so grateful to Sarvo G and Sunny G and Bali Yoga Center for this beautiful experience here. I was already a yoga teacher back in America. I already had my 200 hours, and so I was coming here really looking for a more intensive, more traditional approach to yoga, and that's exactly what I got. Being able to learn from teachers from India, I think, is a huge benefit, a huge advantage on all the ways that the world has appropriated yoga and changed yoga. It's so important to get back to its roots, and that's exactly what I feel learning here. So it's been a beautiful experience, everything from asanas to philosophy to intense meditation I never envisioned myself doing. I was able to have that experience here. It challenged me, it filled me with gratitude. Being able to meet people from all over the world is such a beautiful experience, and being able to share the culture here in Bali with the Balinese people has been beautiful. So I'm so grateful for this. It is something I will remember for the rest of my life, and lessons I will take with me for the rest of my life. Namaste.